5 years.
She looks much different, and I'm not yelling at her this time. So we're at the Oak Court
Right now,
Mall.
at least.
I was trying to have faith and hope that I wouldn't have to. Is that gonna, I don't think that's gonna happen now. All right. So now that that's established, hi, how are you? I'm just kidding. Jeffree Star, please, like, you had Chana Mojo on your channel, so like I feel like I at least could do some sort of justice to your channel if you had that on there.
Like Chana Mojo is Chana Mojo though.
But like at the same time, she's Chana Mojo.
That's true.
Okay, but we're at the Oak Court Mall. The escalator just started struggling out of nowhere after we got off. We're like, we're off now? So.
This is not Final Destination.
Oh, these are cute. Are these Doc Martens?
I like that.
Are they actual Doc Martens or are these off-brand Doc Martens?
Off-brand.
Oh, these are Doc Martens. I like these white ones though. So these are cute.
Nah. They alright.
They cute.
They alright.
They cute. Some random dude just started arguing with me about how cute Doc Martens are. Like, who are you? Okay, what are you gonna say?
I realized that wearing this sweater was not the smartest decision.
Because it's hot.
It does not look that good.
It doesn't look good. You look cute. What you mean? Look how cute she is.
I mean,
No.
does it really matter if you don't find yourself cute?
It does. You feel good when you feel cute.
I mean, I feel
Okay, that's good. I love her hair. So like she has actual afro texture type hair. Mine is curly, but like it's wavy. So my natural hair looks like, you know, wavy. But hers is like a whole circle and her hair is super long too. So if you were to pull it, the shrinkage is real, okay? The shrinkage has always been real with this one. The shrinkage is real with this one. Okay, we're actually in the section of the mall where we used to work. My family used to have a photography station right here. So if I can, it used to be like right where this candy station is. So we were like right here. And that's exactly where we used to have our photography station. They took the whole kiosk away. So I guess they just decided to redecorate after we left. Okay, so, right here is the marble. This is a kind of like a historic thingy. The marble got here decades ago. I'm trying to look for his thingy, but I don't see it. But this is the marble. I would like to get a picture right here, but I'll just do it later. Where'd she go? Where did she go? Like the whole point of me being with her is so she wouldn't get lost, and now she's lost. Oh my God. So she was right. I am going to yell at her today. I don't appreciate this. Like she's gone, and I like just saw her a second ago. Like I am pissed. What? Tyra, where did you go? What happened?
You walked away.
Why did you walk away?
I didn't walk away.
I went by the marble.
I got bored.
So she was right. I was gonna yell at her. There you go. So yeah, we're just walking right now. I don't think there's gonna be any good footage for a minute. I would, but these are like not real and they're old.
It's
So.
okay, give 5 seconds real quick.
Okay.
What about you? Oh, come on here, come on here.
Oh, okay.
Who's gonna bless you real quick?
Okay. So what's?
Like kept going on, show you how to swear. This is me and my brother Black.
So I set this up here.
Yes, ma'am. This is me and my brother Black on business on Reese. This is BG.
Okay. Well, actually, this is from a YouTube channel. So what's the name of your company?
Shoe Magic, Shoe MGK. This is my planning condition right here. We're gonna opportunity shoes, suede, and I learned a new book called Morals. Start from the bottom and work my way up like Drake.
So yeah, y'all heard it here. It smells nice. It smells nice.
Thank you.
Wow. Okay, like in comparison, yeah, one's dusty, super dusty, and the other one looks pretty decent. Wow. So yeah, that one's pretty torn up, so. Thank you. The cool thing about it is this is kind of like, I'm kind of liking how that's turning out. So I might like go harder with like tearing it up because that looks pretty cool. Thank you. Oh, is there a business card? Or I can.
It just costs $20.
Okay. This is 20 bucks here. And this is at the Oak Court Mall right over here by Hershey and Aeropostale. Hey, hi. Right when I thought there wasn't gonna be any filmable footage. Okay. Huh? You got a YouTube channel?
Yeah.
What's your YouTube channel?
No, follow me on Facebook, McCaffrey. Oh God.
You do? I don't know what's happening, but okay. Okay, well, how much time do we have on here? I don't even see my timer. Oh, it's only been 7 minutes? Okay, cool. I thought it's been like 15 minutes. I was gonna be like, this is boring. Okay, there's a dirt bike thingy. And that's fun. Fun and fresh. So I roasted James Charles on my latest video and my makeup video because like he was disrespectful again. So we had to put his sister in check. And James Charles just like can't sit them. It's like I care. There's games and fun. It's a whole chessboard. They have that at the Germantown Library too. That's so cool. And the ping pong table. This is great.